just want you for the moment. I'm so sorry, I can't deal with the emotions. Went over 3 times, yeah, her love was potent. I don't think that she ever noticed. Goddamn, I've been thinking about.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Steezy, and today, I'm sure you guys can tell from the title and thumbnail, we're putting on some of my dream wheels for the new G20, guys. It was only right that I swooped some Vossen wheels. That's the only hint I'm gonna give you guys. I said it in the previous video, but you guys only heard it if you stayed till the end. But that's right, guys. I picked up some Vossen wheels, and your boy cannot be any more hyped. I've been wanting to own a set of Vossen wheels since like 2014, 2015, no joke. It's just so dope that I own a set, and I'm throwing them on my new BMW. I've been absolutely loving this G20. Like, it's probably one of my favorite cars that I've owned, just because it's like newer. I haven't really owned too much of like a newer cars. I've owned pretty much like older JDM cars, and I have owned BMWs before, but I just really enjoy this G20. I would say this car is probably the best bang for its buck. So if you guys are in the market, check out the G20s. But as you guys can see, we got me and my wife's Jeep all loaded up with the tires and the wheels in the back. We're gonna be going to Big O Tire right now. We're gonna be dropping off the tires and wheels to get mounted onto the new Vossen wheels. And guys, I am so damn excited. I'm gonna get the wheels from Big O once the tires are mounted to the Vossen wheels, and we're gonna come back to the cribbo and we're gonna put the Vossen wheels on the G20, guys. I am hyped. This is such an exciting video because these wheels are gonna change the whole look of the G20, and it's not gonna look that stock. I lowered it with the H&R Sport Springs the last video, and today, guys, we're getting the Vossen wheels on the new G20. Let's go. We just pulled up to Big O Tires. I'm gonna go run inside so I can let the guy know we got the wheels in the Jeep ski. Check, you got an F82 M4 over there. We got the tires and they're getting mounted. Shout out to Big O Tire for hooking your boy up. We're gonna be just coming back because he said it could take around 2 hours. So once I get that call, I'll come and pick up the Vossen wheels, and you guys will finally get to see what Vossen wheels I went with for the G20. We'll reveal them back at the house. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Check it, we are back home now with the new Vossen wheels back at the cribbo. As you guys can tell, it is nighttime. I didn't get time to throw on the wheels during the day, and I don't think I can wait. I think I gotta throw them on tonight. Yeah, we're not gonna get the best lighting to see how they look, but when I wake up tomorrow, I damn sure wanna wake up to the new Vossen wheels on the new G20. So I'm gonna throw on the wheels tonight. I'm gonna show you guys putting on the wheels right now, and we'll get to see what it looks like in the garage with the new Vossen wheels, but we'll also pick it back up and resume this back in the morning. We'll get some clips of the Vossen wheels on the G20 to make for a dope edit. I also need to get some Instagram photos because I definitely need to update the gram and show off these new Vossen wheels, guys. I'm so damn excited. We got the tires mounted today. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna throw on these Vossen wheels. Let's get to it. Let's go. So it's about that time. I'm about to reveal you guys the new Vossen wheels. Finally gonna get these OEM wheels out of here. I'm tired of rocking stock wheels. We're finally gonna have some of my dream wheels. I've always wanted to own this brand of wheels, and I'm finally doing it for the G20. Check out my new Vossen wheels, guys. Damn. These are so clean. They're black, they're ceramic coated as well, so brake dust isn't gonna be sticking to it as much. Guys, I absolutely love these wheels. And as you guys may be wondering, why is there BMW center caps? I got these wheels used. The wheels itself I got used, the tires are all brand new. But the previous owner who had these wheels had it on a new BMW i4, and he put the BMW center caps in the middle. I was gonna rock the BMW center caps. I do think it looks clean, like more OEM plus, but I went ahead and ordered the Vossen center caps because these are the hybrid forged series of the Vossen wheels, and the new center caps pretty much say hybrid forged. Guys, these are some forged Vossen wheels. I am so damn hyped. The day I swooped these wheels, it literally felt like the day when I first got my 3-piece wheels that I had on my wide body G35. It was like damn near comparable of the same excitement. I am so happy with these wheels. I think they're gonna look so sick on the G20. But enough of me talking, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and throw you guys on the tripod, and we're gonna throw these Vossen wheels on the G20. We'll see how it looks like parked in the garage at night, and we'll resume, pick it back up in the morning. But I am gonna show you guys once I get all wheels on tonight. Let's get it. Come on, I was so excited to get these Vossen center caps, but as you guys just saw, I was struggling with getting them on, and for some reason, for the life of me, I cannot get these to clip in. These BMW ones that the Vossen wheels came with, because like I said, the previous owner threw these in, it like they can pop in and out so easy, and watch, it clicks in perfectly when I just hear that click. But then when I try with the Vossen, I have no idea why. And these are supposed to fit, but I literally, if I press down as hard as I can, these clips do not want to clip. Even if I get all the ends in, it just pops right out. So, I'm not too sure, but I think I am just gonna run the BMW center caps. I'm gonna have to return these ones, even though I was hyped on these. They're not gonna work out for tonight, but I do want to get these Vossen wheels on, so I think I'm just gonna throw them on. I'm gonna quit wasting time and get these wheels swapped. Bro, are you kidding me right now? Look at how perfect these fit the G20. Literally, I got the perfect offset and width. Seriously, no jokes, perfect specs with these Vossen wheels. I cannot believe how sick this looks, guys. And take a look at the front. I know you guys just saw, but oh my God, bro. Are you kidding me? Literally, it fits so flush. Fills in the wheel gap so much more with these Vossen wheels. These are actually 19-inch wheels. Those OEM ones are 18-inch wheels, and these also have different offsets and different widths, but I'll tell you guys more about these specs when it's daytime. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the car around and do the driver's side. Guys, I am so hyped with how dope these Vossen wheels are. But enough of me talking, guys. I already wasted enough time messing with the center caps. Let's get to the driver's side. Yo, what up? It is now the next morning and I finally get to show you guys the new Vossen wheels on the G20. It's actually my first time getting to see them on the G20 in the daylight and not in the dark, parked in the garage. And guys, let me introduce you guys to my Vossen HF3. HF stands for the hybrid forge wheels for the G20. I went with the black. I was really thinking how dope it'd be for the V1 to do it all murdered out black BMW. I haven't done it before. My other BMW, my E92, was satin black and it had the chrome wheels, and those definitely pop. How sick and stealthy would it look if I went with the black wheels? I actually found these Vossen wheels used for such a good deal, so I had to swoop them. The previous owner had them on his i4 BMW, which is a new electric BMW, and he was selling them. I went and swooped them right away, messaged him right away. And yeah, guys, your boy Steezy now has some Vossen wheels for the G20. Let me just give you guys a better look of how dope these wheels look on the G20, guys. It makes it look so much lower. The fitment is absolutely perfect. I don't know how I get lucky with my fitment every single time. I mean, I do a little bit of research on like the forums and stuff and check out my images, but somehow, some way, I feel like I just end up getting such great fitment when I buy wheels, when I just give it a chance, you know? That's the only thing you can do, is just try different wheel setups. Just take a look of how dope these Vossen wheels are. They're forged, and they definitely make my R1 Concept rotors like pop from behind. These black wheels, the silver R1 Concept rotors just pop, bro. Damn, like literally I cannot believe how much of a difference these Vossen wheels have changed the look of the car. It makes it look so much more stealthy. Definitely doesn't look that stock anymore with the OEM wheels. I mean, it didn't even look like modified at all. I mean, sure, I have the Aero and some other bolt-ons and stuff, but guys, these Vossen wheels are a game changer. Damn, I didn't think I could fall more in love with this car, but these Vossen wheels really just set it off. These are definitely what it needed and deserved. Like I said, these are some of my dream wheels. I've always wanted to own a set of Vossen wheels since I was probably like a senior in high school. I saw Vossen wheels, a lot of people were rocking them. There was this guy named Lord McDonald, and he was huge on Instagram with his builds. He had an i8 build, another 5 Series build, a Porsche build. He had so many builds, but he always would rock the Vossen wheels. I just thought it looked like such great quality wheels, and Vossen definitely has a great rep in the car community and the car scene. I mean, if you got some Vossen wheels, I mean, if you know, you know. But guys, the HF3s just look so dope, and a lot of people do rock these wheels like on Huracans, M3s, M4s. I saw this deal and I had to swoop them, and just take a look, guys. I'm gonna be listing the specs in the description below, but the rears are at 9-inch width, the fronts are an 8.5, 255s in the rear, 225s in the front, so it is a staggered setup, and it looks so damn sick. Are you kidding me, bro? Like, look at that angle right there. Oh, guys, I am so in love with this setup. But guys, I really want to know what you guys think of the new HF3 Vossen wheels on the G20. Leave it in the comments below. I definitely want to hear you guys' opinions on the new black Vossen wheels for the G20. I know you guys know how I feel about them, but I want to know what you guys are thinking about them. If they're dope, if I should have went with a different color, like a different chrome color. I mean, I could always switch up this setup. This is just V1 for the BMW. I have a whole livery planned out, which is going to be V2, and I have other mods I'm obviously going to install with that livery. Seriously, such a game changer with these Vossen wheels, guys. I'm gonna shoot an edit right now and include it at the end of this video so you guys can get a real visualization of how dope these wheels are on the G20. Guys, we out here. I said 2024 we were gonna be out here posting a lot of content, and your boy SteezyJ's really trying to do that. I'm gonna be attending a lot of more car meets and car shows this year and bringing the G20 to a lot of places. I just can't wait to get this on the road and take it to a lot of meets, meet it with some cool people. 2024, I appreciate every single one of you guys tuning into my channel. The channel's been growing so much lately. The views have actually been going up so much in the likes, the subscribers. I really appreciate all the new subscribers and all the OG subscribers. You guys already know how I feel about y'all. I love y'all so much. I always show love in the comments below. I will always reply to your comments or Instagram messages. That's just how your boy is. I'm really in this for the community, and I really like interacting with new people in the car scene. So yeah, enough of me talking. Enjoy this edit of the new Vossen wheels on the G20. Let's get it, guys. Let's go. We out here.
What's the plan, my boy? I just dropped the top and all my feelings for a second. You pull up on us and we had stupid joy. Sand out, I can't feel no more. Bands out, I'm counting bands, now this is my only joy. Them Cartier frames ain't not say no more. Tell me that you can fix me, nobody change you, boy. Feeling, know that I'm feeling you, dog. Spring break, I got some vibe that been called. Everybody fuck with the kid, I been wild. I got a feeling that we gon' up tonight, yeah. Know you feeling this, you feel the vibe. Ain't nobody moving this flight. Know you feeling the key match buying the swag. I got you seeing the eyes. I run this shit up and I double it. Do this and shit with the vibes. What I want, man, I get it. I can turn this shit up in a minute. Can't describe this feeling I'm feeling. I been fly as I jump out the building. Why you sell this feeling, no game. But it's sesame shit. They about to bring on the best of me with.